Hi beauties, as you can see, this is the Valentine's Day countdown makeup tutorial number 3. And if you see this look here, this is a very plum, I don't know, plum, purple look. It is matte. So I am going to show you how to get this look uh, with this video. Today is a little different. I put everything on from foundation to bronzer. The bronzer did serve a little bit as my blush. I may want to put a little bit on there later, but anyways, my face is all done except for my eyes. Yes, my hair is pulled back just for the purpose of showing all of you how to do this look. Today we are going to use the Kat Von D Shade+Light eye palette, and it looks something like this. You can use this one as the base. So I'm thinking that is what I'm going to use as the base, and this I'm going to use as my transition, and of course these two. Basically, we're going to be using all these 4 colors to do our eyes today. And with Kat Von D, my eyes will be a little on the bold side today. And then, of course, we will be using an eyeliner, which this is a black Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. For the mascara, I'm going to use Tarteist, also in black. As you can see, I'm holding the brushes here that I'll be using. I'll be using the Moda Crease brush. I'll be using this Sedona Lace EB13. This is the one that I'm going to be using to apply the base. And then, of course, to pack on the lid will be this one, which is Luxie 239 Precision Shader. This fluffy brush here, I use a lot for my eyebrow bone and just to blend everything in on top. This one here I will be using for the eyelining at the bottom. And hopefully all this comes out looking great. So I hope you like it. So now back to the eyeshadow. Again, I'm going to start with this here as a base. And my nails are ready for Valentine's Day. So this is just going to go all over. Again, this is just the base to make sure that your eyeshadow blends in nicely. And use this big one here as a transition. It's very powdery. I went a little bit above the crease here because I want that transition shade to show. And I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. Just above the crease. I do have to work harder on one eye than I do on the other, just because, as you know, if you have a pair of something, they are not symmetrical. Almost, but not quite. Now I'm going to go in with this color here just to give it some smoky look around this area. So this I am going to pat in, and I decided to use this e.l.f. brush here. This is a defining eye brush from e.l.f. And I'm just going to pat this in here, and then we will blend it in. Right in this area here. Same thing. And then we will blend in. And to blend in this color, I'm going to go back in with this bigger crease brush from Moda. And just do this. I'm going to start here. Here. These are all mattes from this quad, by the way. So there you have it. This is the color that I put in on the outside here, and then I tried to give it some darkness and then bring out the lighter end into the eye there. So now what I'm going to do is on the lid, I will be using this tone here, which is a little on the dark end, but I like it because, like I said, we're doing this little drastic smoky violet look, plum look. So between purples and dark tones there. And what I'm going to use for that is this Luxie 239 Precision Shader. And we are going to pack that in. And then bring it out. Definitely very plum. So as you can see, very plum look. I'm not done yet. We are going to go in with a fluffy brush here. And like I said, we're going to go in up here on the brow bone. For some reason, I prefer this one than this one up here for the brow bone. We'll see how it goes. Just give it more of a rosy look. Here I am, very up close and personal. And as you can see, it did give it that rosy look. So everything is matte today. The only thing that I'm going to do is put a little brightener in here. So let me try this light color here and see if that helps. So it can liven up my eyes a bit. Not bad. That works. So there's my eyeshadow for you. And now what I'm going to do is do the eyeliner. And like I said, we are using the Clinique eyeliner. And you are going to have to bear with me because this, I got to get up close and personal. Okay, there's one eye. Now to do the other one. Again, up close and personal. So there's the eyeliner, giving it that wing there. What's left is the eyeliner at the bottom, and what I'm going to do is, like I said before, I'm going to use this flat e.l.f. brush, smudge brush. So definitely a good one for the bottom. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this, and mix both of them. Finally, we are going to go in with the Tarteist. Tarteist. Going for the other eye. There you have it. Now I'm not too satisfied with my cheeks, so I'm going to go in with this Tarte Amazon Clay 12-hour blush, and this one is feisty. Received this little cute sample here from Allure. Thank you for that. I do go at an angle with my cheeks just to give them more of a elongated uh, look because again, I feel like I have big cheeks. So this definitely helps them look a little smaller. There's the look with the Kat Von D eyeshadow. I hope you like it. So there you have it. This is the Kat Von D Plum Quad look, and I hope you like it. I will put the list of all the products that I used besides the eyeshadow on the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you for the next two. So 2 more days for Valentine's Day and 1 more week for my birthday. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Huh. Well, see you next time.